Hey, Frank Contreras here with the real OG, OG Empower, and visionempower.com at frankcontreras.com. You can find us anywhere on the web. Just Google us and you'll find us. All right, here with the kind of a little basic training on how to do a capture page with the domain name that you already bought. If you haven't bought it, don't worry. Just subscribe to the list. Opt in, do whatever you got to do. Put your name, email, or just email, however the form is, and you'll be able to get this training absolutely free, just like you're getting it right now. But if you want the rest of the updates, you can subscribe. There's a link on the page where you're at right now, or in the description below this video, that you could get in touch with the real OG or with me, and we'll show you how to do this. OG is one of the leaders in Vision and Power, Misión Fortuna.
Co-founder, isn't it?
I was the co-founder of Vision and Power here. That's right. We got very limited positions available. There's only, I think, 19 left for the Founders Club, and well, the free positions anyway. Because this thing is going viral, it's going to just blow up, and it would be a shame, because a lot of people get free stuff and they really don't take it seriously because they got it free. They got so much free crap in their inbox that they don't really take it seriously. But when you do pay for something, you take it seriously, even though sometimes, like the free training you're about to get right now, you'll probably have to pay $200 to $500, $297 to $497, something like that anywhere else. But you're getting it free today, because that's just how we do. We just have so much knowledge and things to share, that because we're learning every day, we read every day. This is the current book that I'm reading. So if you want to pick up your copy, go to Amazon.com and find it, or go to Tony Robbins' website, or Frank Kern's website, or OG's website, or you just find it anywhere. This is amazing. This is the modern day Think and Grow Rich, because back when Napoleon Hill interviewed those 500 of the top of the most successful people in that era of the 30s, and what is it, since 1908 he started this up to the 30s, and Tony Robbins interviewed 5 of the top wealthiest people, the top investors on earth right now, that people don't even know about, like Ray Dalio. That is he has the top hedge fund in the world that manages like $160 billion or something like that, some ridiculous amount. And it's 7 simple steps to financial freedom, so that the regular guy like you and me, or the regular gal like you, can actually invest like the big dogs. So that's what I'm reading today. What are you reading? What's your recent reading material, OG?
My recent material is Don't Sweat the Small Stuff.
It's all
Richard
small
Carlin.
stuff.
And it really is all small stuff. You shouldn't stress over anything. It's not going to matter a year from now, so why even stress from it?
Yeah, that's one of the good chapters. I remember reading that many times. It changed my life. When I was like 17, I started reading that book, and I still have it. So,
dude, every time I read it, it's fucking... I actually started reading it, like, when did he give it to me? Like almost a couple months ago?
A couple months ago, yeah.
And I'm actually rereading it, because every time I read it, it's just, I get new things off it.
Yeah, you find something new in there. Like, you're like, oh, yeah, I could implement this because this happened to me yesterday, and I kind of reacted to it the wrong way, and now I see that there's a better way. All right, so log into the domain.com, which is where we get our domains from, because they offer, not because they're cheaper than most others, but because for the price they offer these tools that are very easy to use for the everyday person that has no type of technical knowledge, or HTML programming knowledge, or C++ or anything like that. You don't even need to know any of these things. You don't even need to know what it means. But as soon as you sign up and get the training, you'll understand that you don't need to know all of this to create beautiful pages for your business. Doesn't matter what type of business it is, doesn't matter what industry it is. You can create your beautiful capture landing pages, however you want to call them, or squeeze pages and things like that, included in the price of your domain name, and also set up your business in a way that it looks professional with a professional email instead of having this Gmail, Yahoo, and because when you have a business, it's not cool to have the your email uh, look like has you have a beautiful domain, a nice place where people go to check out your business and you in general, and you have a regular free Gmail or Yahoo. It doesn't look like you're really in serious business. So OG is going to show us how to do that today. Now he's about to log in. Let me put him up on the screen. Maybe people are seeing what are people seeing here? Oh, he put the whole website in. That's nice. And also, there's an added bonus with getting your domains through domain.com, and it's that you actually have the ability to go a step further. On top of having a professional email and for no extra cost, you also have another way of setting up your business in a way so that you could go national with it. Your business can appear to be bigger than what it already is. Maybe you have a tiny business, you want to make it look bigger because you have plans of expanding, which we all always should have plans to expand our business. So that's it. What's going on? You got some issues with the?
Yeah.
You forgot your password. How can you forget your password? I forgot his password.
It's because I had it logged on to my computer, so I've never had to log in until right now.
Oh, okay.
But I just did it right now.
Well, look at this right here. Look at this. See that? Hey. That's those license plates are one of my ex businesses that I used to have. All right, so we got the mobile cam, we got 3D Frank coming at you in 3 dimensions. I don't know about that. Yeah, nowadays it's getting like harder to create good passwords and remember them because you have to put different characters at the end of it and all this other stuff. And
dude, I actually have a little. Give me a second. I have a little book where I have all my passwords.
But yeah, because it's getting annoying. I mean, these hackers, these people that are doing the identity theft and all that, they're just messing it up for everybody else.
For some reason, I forgot to write down the domain one, which I'm about to do right now. Oh, please hold on. Oh, gee.
We actually have to do a training. I'm probably going to do that today. To do a training on how to
what?
Do me a favor. Go to your Google Hangout page and tell me which camera you see me on.
Give me a second.
Just swipe down with all 4 fingers. Hey, look at that.
Wow.
Sexiness.
You like that, don't you? I see the one right in the middle.
The one right in the middle.
Yep.
Okay, so let me see. And now, you see the same one right in the middle, right?
Yep.
I guess. Why don't you click on the one that's this one right here?
Okay.
Yeah, that's better. I gotta figure that out. I don't know. I gotta talk to. I don't know why it's a Dell. This one should look better.
Dude, that looks
clean, right? It's crispy.
nice and colory and crispy and.
Nice and bright, and like my eyes
Hmm.
don't look like all dark and whatnot, like this one right here. All right, well, whatever. We'll figure it out later on. I guess I have to use the Dell for the Hangouts.
All
Cool.
right, so
All right, go back to your. Sorry about that. I just want to capture my good side.
I'm in domains.com.
All right, good. So now domains.com. I hope this is coming out on. All right, good. Now go to the Weebly drag and drop right there. It's where it says website all the way to the right. It says Weebly drag and drop. You can also get it on the top, like just hover over the where it says website right next to the little house on top, the little home button.
Right here,
Yeah, the no the hover over it. See right there, you have all
right there.
the Weebly drag and drop. You can get to it right there too. That's just another way of doing it.
Okay.
So why don't we add a website right here? Because this is exactly what you did with going straight through Weebly.
Mm-hmm.
And just right there, you could add that website
That website. Okay.
and edit.
That website.
Edit website. When you upgrade, that's you got to pay like $100 for a year or something to have the pro account or whatever. But right now, you get I think it's 6 pages that you could do for free. That well, not for free, but they're included. All right. You wanna? There you go. You want to choose a design.
Just right here.
Yeah, you could go to design, so you could choose a theme that you like. How do you like your themes? Light, dark,
I like them kind of. I'm thinking light. It's nice and bright.
nice and bright. Okay.
And you say I can choose any of these?
Yeah, you can choose any of them because they're all gonna like. But for capture pages, you want to choose one that that you could basically grab the whole page.
Yeah, not like
So
these right here that has all this shit
look
down the
right.
bottom.
Yeah, choose any one of those. I mean, since this is the older Weebly, this is the older model of Weebly, so it's not gonna have, and it's the free part, so or the included part, so it's not gonna have all the templates and everything.
So these things at the bottom of the pages, they're all gonna be there, like all the okay.
Yeah, but that's just a regular page. When you go in and you choose like a page without a header and all the things, everything's just gonna be nice and clean. So just try to choose one that the like right there. You see that one on the left?
This one right here.
Yeah.
Okay.
See that one that has the buttons on the top all the way? The
Yeah.
That one would I think would give you maybe the that you could put a capture page and everything will be nice and high up
Okay.
instead of starting in the middle of the page or something.
So this would be a good page right now to start off.
Yeah, try that out. I mean, you could change it anytime you want, and it'll
Yeah.
update everything that you've done already. You won't lose any data.
Okay. So let's choose that one.
Choose that one, then go to pages.
Splash. Yeah.
No, these don't have like most of these don't have splash pages. But the whole point of doing a splash page with the free version is the other way when you do an account straight with Weebly is that the splash pages don't show this site was created free by Weebly on the bottom.
Oh, okay.
That's the whole reason for it. Now you could go to no header because that's
No.
just and right now you could just leave it there with not hidden from menu or anything, so you could access it quickly.
Okay.
Save and edit. All right, you see now that theme, it's gonna have that thing right there on the
That's right here.
yeah. No, the blank title thing. Try
Hmm.
landing page to see how that looks. Yeah, that one's gonna have that title thing on the top all the time.
So you think I should just choose another one?
Yeah, choose another one. Choose the let me see. Keep going. Which one did I choose last time? I mean, you can get really creative with these things. You get real creative with them.
Mm.
You see, you can choose any of those that have the site title all the way at the top, because that way that one's going to be out of the way.
Okay.
Choose that one with the red.
This one right here?
Yeah. And go see, that's a nice capture page.
Yeah.
You could put an image there, you could put something,
Right here.
and when you hide it from menu, that thing that says home is not going to be there.
Okay.
Try doing that right now. Go to pages and hide from menu.
Do I change it to no header or leave it at landing?
You could leave it at landing right now because it has all the placing of what you want to do. Like right there, you could add the headline. Or try, yeah, go to no header. No, yeah, there you go. No header. See, that gives you a nice clean
Thing to work with.
thing to work with, and you could the title you could leave, you could hover over it and click it off. You could put a logo there if you want later, and all these on the right hand side, you don't
Yeah.
want the Facebook and all that stuff. Just X them all out one at a time. There's another way to just completely take it off, but you don't really need that. And the bottom, the header, the footer, all the way at the bottom.
Right here?
Yeah, just click into that and delete it. Right there, edit that.
Right here?
Yeah. And you could put whatever you want in there, like, ogempower.com or whatever. Put it in the middle so it could look, copyright 2014 or 2015 if you want. Yeah, later on you put that in the middle, and we'll put the little copyright sign and everything in there. See, when you do the free account through Weebly, you can't do that unless you have at least a starter account or something.
So now right here I could put, what do I put, a box over here or something?
You could put a box of anything. If you're gonna insert a video, like let's just do the layout real quick so you could get a feel for this one, because the editor on this one is a little bit different.
Okay.
The one on Weebly's website, the new one, has the embed thing right on the top in that first section. But you see those things where it says T on top and the little music sign and all that stuff?
Right here? Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that you could go straight into, like click on those so you could get a feel for straight into like what those are, dividers and columns.
Okay.
On the new web design platform, you don't need the column thing because it automatically does it. But on this one, if you want like two columns, side by side or something like that, you got to insert it individually. Now, see, the embed code, which is something that we use a lot, is on the little three dots instead of right at the top, because it has a how to insert a YouTube video in there. But I like to do it through the embed code because that way you could play with it and take away, like not have the
YouTube sign in there and stuff?
well, you'll have the YouTube branding on it all the time, but it's not going to be the whole scroll bar and giving people too much control. They could just see a nice clean video.
Okay.
So You could put a text box in there and then put an embed thing. Drag a text box and then drag a column box in there. There you go, columns. And put the text box on the right hand side, the one that's already in there. You grab it through the middle. Click outside of it first, and then yeah, there you go. Grab it through the middle and put it on the
Right there.
right hand side or something. There you go. So then the video could be on the left.
Okay, and then the thing
And then you drag an embed box into the left side. Embedded, it's all the way down. There it is, embedded code. Embed code.
Right there?
No, inside of the box.
Right here.
That theme actually has that little thing on the side, which...
That's on. And now just leave it there?
Now you can put it into the left-hand side. That's on the bottom. Yeah, put it right in there where you did.
Here?
Yeah, but you got to grab it through the middle part.
Yeah.
Right there. There you go.
Okay. And now my video will go here, and this will be the
little edit where you could put the text and stuff, like, you know, find out how I did blah blah. You'll learn how to do this, and that. And then on the bottom, you want to put an image box so that you can put your button.
So right there?
Yeah, it'll go right through the middle. It'll stand right in the middle. Now, right now, see how that looks? That it has the thing on the left where the menu is?
Yeah.
That's exactly how it's going to look. So you want to get another theme that doesn't have that for capture page purposes. So you go to design and just
like this one right here?
Yeah, you find and preview them to see how it looks better. And then you can choose. Well, see, that one will take up most of the page. And it has different colors.
So I could change all this coloring up here and stuff?
Yeah, when you go to design, that's where you change the colors.
Okay, so this one doesn't have the thing on the left or anything.
Yeah, that's good. That'll be good. So, I don't know, you could start with, maybe put a title on it.
Right here?
No, that's just something on the side. You don't want to put nothing there.
So just add
a title thing on top of everything. A little bit down into the box. There you go. And add a title. You know, how to go from stuck to unstuck or something, whatever you want to write. From zero to hero.
Hero. That's a nice one. Hero.
In 3 simple steps or something. People like steps. Like they like, you know, step 1, 2, 3, and like look at Tony Robbins' book. It says 7 simple steps to financial freedom. Break it down. Yeah, it's good to play with the colors and all that. From zero to hero. All right, then I'll show you how you can make the default size instead of you having to go, like when you get to to doing a certain style of stuff that you like, you can go into the menu and have the actual size of the font of the title
Yeah.
a set size, so it could always be that the bigger or smaller than how you have it there.
Okay.
All right, so now you want to click right there on the where you are the text, and maybe put the 3 steps. Step one, like number one, you put the right next to the thing that has the TX on it.
The TX
Yeah, all the way to the right of that big bar that comes up on top.
right here.
Yeah, right next to it, the 1, 2, 3.
Okay, right here.
Yeah, that, or the other one does it without the numbers. It's just bullet points.
Okay.
So you could have however style you want.
One.
Is I don't know what. Find have a product or service.
One.
Because you know that the way the people that we do help out is people that have a business already, or people who don't have a business but are looking to go it, and actually that have a traditional business or a multi-level marketing business, any type of business. You basically need the same things. Like you need people, which is the traffic, and you need
Traffic.
the service.
So this
And
can be used for any type of
you
business,
need
any type of anything.
exactly, and you need a system to actually uh, drive the traffic. You need a system to,
Convert and stuff and all that.
yeah, conversion. You could put step two, conversion mastery or something. We'll figure this out later on,
Yeah.
but I just want you to get a feel of how to do this. The only limitation is whatever you decide to not be creative on. So, conversion mastery. And
Sales.
conversion mastery, not sales, but that's the conversion mastery. And then you want good quality traffic.
Quality traffic.
And later on you could find out, you could like search through some capture pages and stuff like that, so that you can get some ideas of the things you want to put on yours, and exactly how you want, because this could be for anything. Like learn how I went from 200 something pounds to 100, and sustained my weight at 170 or something like that, or
Yeah.
174.
It can be implement. You can implement in anything basically.
Yeah, you could take it to whatever, and then that'll take them to some kind of free giveaway, which is what most marketers do, is the bribe thing. You got to bribe them with something free, and you just want to basically create. And this could lead to anything you want. You just want to create, capture good quality leads and people that are actually looking for the right thing, so you could align with them. And then after that, when you go into the trainings that you already have, uh, that'll actually show you exactly the psychology and why things work a certain way, why the color of the button is very important. If you put a button right in on this page, you want to put a green button on it. A green, because green buttons they've been shown to convert better than any other color button.
Okay.
Because you know what, we're all this might be one of the reasons, but we're all conditioned that green means go.
Yeah.
Red means stop. Yellow means be careful, slow down, caution. Then green means go. All right, so right there, that's it. You could publish that right now how it is, and you'll see just basically that the thing on top says text. You can skip that for now if you want. And see,
Publish.
that's already your website. So
So I
it's
can
published. Yeah, you just go to ogmpower.com. You could have just clicked on the website right there and it would have taken you to it.
Hey,
See?
yeah,
That's how, then you have the little video on the left, and you have the button on the
the button right
bottom.
here, and
Yeah.
then
So see, and look, go all the way to the bottom, and you see that it doesn't say Weebly. You can put whatever you want in there.
that says my OG Empower copyright 2015.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's it. So that way you won't have, you don't have the hassle of connecting your website to or forwarding to the actual free
Wiggly thing.
Weebly thing and all those little complications. There
Okay.
are plus and minuses to both of the things, but right now, for someone who's on a shoestring budget, this will be great for them to actually create their capture pages and stuff like that. And maybe on the next training tomorrow, we'll have the completed capture page, so it could look
Yeah,
complete. Put the video in and the button and everything, and connect it to so it could go to the offer.
okay. That's great, man.
All right, brother. So I'll see you. Have a great day. I'll see you on the next one.
All right, man. Take it easy. Be
All
safe.
right. You too.